Hi guys, I wanted to come to you today with my fourth installment of my rolling pan project that I'm going to do for the whole year of 2018. There's some paper next to me. I finished another one and it is the deluxe sample, so I decided to not go with the deluxe sample since these are going pretty fast, but I wanted to get through this and not waste it. So the thing that I went through was the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. And the last thing I went through was the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Face Cream, and I actually ordered some of it off of the Bobbi Brown website. Even though the Sephora VIB sale is this week, it's only 15% off, and the hydrating face cream was 25% off on the Bobbi Brown site, and it's regular $60, so it took it down to $45, and then I got an extra 6% off through Ebates. If I'd waited till Friday the 13th, I could have gotten 13% off on Ebates, but I did not know that, so missed 7 extra percent, but oh well. But I did finish this. I don't know that I would repurchase this. I don't know that I saw a lot from it. It was good, and there was one time that it got in my eye and it started burning, so that's one of the things about and I don't put it very close to my eye, I just put it down in here, and it was burning, so I don't know that I would get this. We'll see sometime later down the line if I get a wild hair and decide to do that. One thing that I want to show you, this is one of the original things. This was brand new when I put this in here, and last time it was to there, and now it is to there. And if I don't slosh this around, you can see where it's at right there. So this is getting at least halfway, and it's getting to the point that this is really dirty here. That you can see this is where it's, that little tip right there is the only thing that it's picking up stuff. So I'm going to have to start putting it in my hand or something like that, because that little spatula thing isn't going to be picking it up much longer. So I'm really happy about this. As you can tell, it's getting closer and closer to the end, and I think if you can see back here in the back, it gets smaller, so that's an even better thing, because I am ready to move on and use some other foundation, because this is the only foundation I have been using since I started this project, and it's not my favorite. Let's just say it's not going to be a repurchase. The Tarte Maracuja Lip Exfoliant, I still haven't gotten very far on it. It's still there. So that one I'm going to have to work harder on, but I'm still working on that one. I have been using, and I have this on today, this is the Laura Mercier African Violet eyeshadow, and that's where we're at. So not much longer, and I will get rid of this because I don't want to tear my brushes up when it gets in those little corners right there, because I have a brush that I was using my foundation on, a pressed foundation, and I tore that brush up because of that, so I don't want to do that. One of the last things that I put in there besides this Bobbi Brown was the Tokyo Milk Let Them Eat Cake Lip Balm, and I use this at night. It smells amazing. I had to get a spatula in there to get it away from these sides here, but you can tell that I am doing really good on this. This is not one of my favorites, I'm learning, because when I put it on, it's like there is some of the wax is in like little balls or something, and you have to like melt it down. It's like some of it's smooth and some of it is in clump form or something. I don't know, but it smells amazing, and it's very hydrating, but the way it goes on, I don't know that I would repurchase this, but that is how far I am on that one. And then I'm going to put this sucker back in here because this needs to go. I am just about to finish my Sun and Park water in there, and I need to get this done because I think this is older than that. So I've had it in a project to use it up before, and you can see where the last time it was, and then we're right here now. So I will mark that, and I need to get rid of the rest of this. So that is what I am going to be using on next. So hopefully that will go very quickly on that. And so that's the thing that I am putting in the project now, is this. So this is going well. Hopefully this will be used up the next time you see it. I need to start working on this more. I'm pretty sure this one will get used up really quickly, the Tokyo Milk, because I just put this in the last one and I'm already halfway through it. So I think that one will go pretty quickly. And then I'm still working on my Laura Mercier, and that I think we'll get to do pretty quickly. And then this is going to be the next little sucker that we work on. And hopefully I will get it done in this project. So I just wanted to update you and let you know what I'm doing. I love this project, the rolling project. You just add a new thing in and keep going instead of trying to get everything done in a couple of months and it doesn't work out always. So I like this. You can just move at your own pace. And the first 2 or 3 things I had was deluxe samples, but I decided that I was going through them so fast that these other ones are not getting used up, so I want to at least put like something that's going to last a little while. So, but this may be the next thing I run out of. So I just wanted to update you on what I had put in my rolling project pan now. If you're doing this, let me know how you're doing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.